Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I have found the most perfect sweater to get you through all these chilly months.
Gutpoint has made the most gorgeous, oversized, long duster sweater. It is so cozy. I could wear this every single day. I have this in a size large in the color rust, and it is the most perfect true to size sweater. I love where the pockets sit. I'm 5'5" and they sit perfectly. This goes so well with a pair of jeans, with a skirt, dress, whatever. I even love wearing it just cozy around the house to snuggle up in since it is so soft and warm. It is the most perfect thing to wear all season long.
I think this sweater is absolutely perfect to wear dressed up, dressed down. I'll even wear it with my PJs. It is so comfy, cozy, and beautiful. I highly recommend getting one or three, and that's my point of view.